In today's video, we will discuss how to take a right turn and then change lanes to the left. We have already discussed this in one of our previous videos. You can watch it here. In that video, there was only one lane to take a right turn, but here there are two lanes for turning right. This lane is for going straight, so first change to the right lane. You can take a right turn from either of these two lanes. Wait for the traffic signal to turn green. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and always follow their instructions. Make sure to keep your car in the center of the lane. If you don't know how to keep your car centered, watch this video. Safely take the right turn. If you choose this lane to take right turn, you will need to change lane because this lane merges here. Now, safely change lane to the left. Change lane to the left. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.